Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to send money, meaning your cryptocurrency, from your Nexo account to another wallet from your laptop or desktop. Whether you're sending crypto to your own wallet, another exchange, or a friend's wallet, this video will walk you through every step safely and clearly. So let's jump right in. First, you need to open to the browser on your laptop. You can go to the Safari or the Google Chrome, and once you open to this interface, in the top type down nexo.com and enter over there, and you need to log in over here. In the top right corner, we could see there's an option for the login. Click on the login. You'll be open to the Nexo dashboard over here. And over here, you need to look for your portfolio or wallet section. They show all the crypto you currently hold. And you need to scroll a little bit to find the crypto asset you want to send. For example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, or another supported token. When you find it, you can select on this transfer over here. Now you will see option to choose whether you're sending the funds. You can select the external wallet if you're sending to a wallet outside of Nexo, like your private wallet, another exchange, or someone else's address. And you can select the blockchain network you want to send the crypto on. For example, ERC20, Bitcoin network, BNB Smart Chain, etc. Make sure the network you choose matches the destination wallet. Otherwise, your crypto could be lost. And once you selected the network, paste the recipient wallet address into the withdrawal address field. And if the crypto requires like XRP or XLM, also enter the destination tag or memo when requested. And after that, you can enter the amount you want to send. You can double check everything, the wallet address, network, and amount, because the crypto transaction can't be reversed once sent. And when you're ready, you can select this withdraw or transfer, and you'll be asked to enter your two-factor authentication. Enter the code to confirm your request, and you'll also receive an email confirmation from Nexo. You can open that email and click the confirm link within 30 minutes to finalize the withdrawal. And once confirmed, you can track the status of your transfer using the transaction and in your Nexo transaction tab. And always double check the wallet address and network before sending. If they do not match, your crypto may be lost forever. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to send crypto from Nexo to another wallet. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and if you have any trouble, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.